Hello, it's Rebecca Budd on a nature walk with my friends in the background. It's the first day of sunshine after a long spell of rain, and everyone has come together to celebrate. So thank you for joining me at this moment, at this time of the year, which is a time between winter and spring. That wonderful clarity that comes when the rain wakens the earth and all that is underneath says, it's time to come to the surface. So I expect to see daffodils and snowdrops appear any day. But in the meantime, I want to celebrate winter as well as spring. Winter is a time of reflection. It's a time of respite. It's where you gain all the energy for the coming of spring. We might think that everything is very quiet underneath the earth, but things are happening as we continue the days moving slowly into a lighter time. Today I want to read a poem. You know I want to read a poem. It's part of the nature walk that I enjoy. And it is about winter rain. It is called After the Winter Rain by Coolbrith. Now, Coolbrith was born on March 10th in 1841, and she is the author of the Singer of the Sea and Songs from the Golden Gate. You already can sense there is a creativity within her, and it comes through in this poem. And she was, by the way, a little tidbit for you. She served as the first poet laureate of California from 1950 until her death on February 29th, 1928. She has moved on, but her words still linger and give us an inspiration. After the Winter Rain by Coolbrith. After the winter rain, sing robin, sing swallow, grasses are in the lane, buds and flowers will follow, woods shall ring blithe and gay, with bird trill and twitter, through the skies weep today, and the winds are bitter. Though deep call unto deep as calls the thunder, and white the billows leap the tempest under, softly the waves shall come up the long bright beaches with dainty flowers of foam and tenderest speeches. After the wintry pain and the long sorrow, sing, heart, for thee again joy comes with the morrow. After the winter rains. We're going to get a few more rains before spring comes, but I welcome them. I welcome the freshness and the clarity and the clearness of water as it comes down onto our earth. It's a good thing.